Hello there, good day everyone. In today's video, I want to show you about this LED panel bulb, this China board. And wherever you see this board, it's always presented in modern days LED TV, which is very popular and famous all over the world. This board are very important. This capacitor here is missing for this video. Anyway, I will tell you about this LED bulb that you see. All these things that I see is for the power station. So we present you this bulb one after the other. If you're a technician, let me show you how to read the voltage one after the other, so that you're able to understand that this LED bulb LED panel have the very good powerful tools to do it, very easy to read with. Alright, this video will start with this upcoming one.
12 volt.
This is 12 volts. If the power is good, read the 12 volts. And the other one is 24 volt to 60 volt, which is power the LED backlight. You understand what I'm talking about, the LED backlight. So this is 5 volts. You can able to check your back 5 volts here. You're able to get your results. And this is your memory IC, the Pro IC. So this is a 5 volt in. You know, this is a regulator IC that will give you the 3.3 volts out and 1.8 volts out. And this connection is also for the sensor. Alright, look at these other ones here. This for the power of the LED panel, where you plug your LED panel, the screen, and this 1.2 volts. You're able to start the board also. So with this picture board that you see, which is very important, is for you to know their voltage one after the other. Thanks so much as you know this.